lot of people have asked me what the reference point would be to make a left turn at a wide intersection like this. Now, this is a pretty wide intersection. Using a reference point is slightly difficult. Actually, you know what? I can't give you a reference point, but what I can tell you about making a left turn is that you want to position yourself in such a way that you make an arch when going into that lane. So when making a left turn at intersections like these, I would want to look at the lane I want to go into and just drive into it. You know what? And that will come with experience. I know this is not of much help to you, but hey, you know what? Once you've taken like 6 or 7 driving lessons, you will know what I mean. So, but you want to definitely position yourself a little bit behind the median so that you can drive into it. I'm going to demonstrate that for you. So here we see a guideline as an arch, and I'm going to turn from here. Okay, check the blind spot, and I'm looking at the lane I want to go in. So yeah, this is how it is. I'll demonstrate one more time. Now, this is not as wide as the intersection that we just turned left at. Now, this one is narrower, and all right, so okay, now here again, I crept up a little bit and made the left turn. In the left turn video, I had shown a reference point because most of the side streets, they don't have a middle line, and the width of the side streets, it's pretty much the same. So you can use the curb as a reference point in that situation, but on main roads, the size of the intersection can be different. Some are narrow, some are wide, so you really have to rely on your instincts to make the left turn. And instincts will develop over a period of time, right after you've taken a few lessons. So don't just worry about it.